The holidays are a time to connect with family and friends. So I called up my chef buddies. We're gonna exchange stories, and we're gonna eat and drink great food and great wine. Cheers, man.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
I'm able to travel to all of these different nations and experience culture. And that's what cooking's about, experience.
He's smoking me right now. Yeah.
Those scars is part of it, you know? You always gotta come up with like a spider bite or something like that. Taste everyone's story and their food. It's pancit time. Ooh, we'll be eating good.
It's fresh from the pan. What looks fresh today? It has to be fresh, yeah.
Come on back anytime.
I'll bring you by some, all right?
Please do.
Thanks, man. You smell it? Go wiggles if you tickle it right.
Ah.
Being at that table and exchanging all of our dishes and stories, it was an amazing melting pot.